This tutorial video will demonstrate the Fibonacci Levels draw tool in the Ensign program. Fibonacci levels indicate possible support and resistance levels from important highs and lows. They can also be drawn in vertical mode to indicate possible Fibonacci cycles in time. A start and end point are necessary to draw Fibonacci levels on a chart. All of the levels can be customized and changed to your desired levels. To draw Fibonacci levels on a chart, open the Draw Tools panel by clicking on the pencil. Here you will find the available draw tools to apply to the chart. Find Fibonacci levels and click. You will notice that the cursor will change to a pencil while in the draw mode. To draw Fibonacci levels on a chart, move the cursor on the chart to a starting point. Once you reach your starting point, simply click, and the Fibonacci levels will adjust. And click again. To complete the Fibonacci Levels tool, click anywhere on the chart. Then watch for the completion of a trend or correction at the Fibonacci levels. Reselecting the lines will activate the ability to move and adjust them to a different location. For instance, we will click on this line, and the square boxes will appear. You can click and drag the square bullet to a new location. And the Fibonacci levels will adjust. After drawing Fibonacci levels on a chart, click the Chart Objects button and select Fibonacci levels and click Properties. This will open the Fibonacci Levels Properties window. Here you can make many adjustments to the properties of the Fibonacci levels. For instance, you can show additional lines. You can change the color of lines. You can select different styles of lines. And many different other options. When you are finished with the Fibonacci Levels properties, click the X button to close the Properties window. The Fibonacci Levels Draw tool is one of the impressive features of the draw tools in the Ensign program. This concludes this training segment.